So this will be our ridge pole coming out the back of the cabin.
I've got screws in it already to screw it in.
I gotcha.
And then we got to get this one in my hole up there.
Okay.
With that notch through the 2x4.
Understood.
And then this should sit on top of the tenon, on top of the one. There's a hole here.
I gotcha. Oh, okay. So that determines this is going to be on the top side over here.
Correct. You got it.
Very good.
Okay.
So this is Chris.
Good morning.
Treehouse builder number 2. And Dave. Treehouse builder number 3.
Make sure it stays on the deck. We're clear? Don't want that to happen.
You want me up top for just a moment?
I'm not trying to get too friendly with you.
Okay.
Okay. Get it upright and then just hold it still for a second.
Yeah.
Until we get the next orders.
Okay. Now,
You'd be on this side, but if we not, then we will adjust.
Is it lined up to where you can drop it down on the?
Nope. I need that pushed out towards the forest.
Well, he needs to
quarter
go.
inch.
He needs to go in with it. It is going, but
Okay.
it's slow. Those are some big old posts.
I like them.
Yeah.